How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hidden opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real time. Learn how you can start earning more with less effort by leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits. Read our guide now. So hey guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you how you can earn money on Outlier.ea. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Outlier.ea. So this is the homepage as you can see. But before know this information, let's know what is Outlier. Outlier.ea is a data analytics platform that leverages artificial intelligence to detect critical changes and anomalies within businesses' data. It is designed to help companies identify unexpected patterns and relationships in their data, offering actionable insights that can improve customer experience and drive businesses' growth. The platform integrates with various data sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Amazon Redshift, allowing for comprehensive analysis across multiple datasets. Key features include automatic anomaly detection, multi-source integration, and data visualization tools. So as you can see here, if we come back to the top here in the home page, we have your login and we have your view opportunities. So if you click over login, and this is how it works. If you already have an account, all you have to do is write your email address and your password, then you log in. But if you don't, all you have to do is click over sign up and write your personal information, and you get started with Outlier.ea. So that's it for how it works with inscription. Then I will show you what is the job that you will do in Outlier. So as you can see, we have here various jobs. We have here 105 jobs, and right now I will show you how you can make money using Outlier.ea. So to make money using Outlier.ea, businesses can harness the platform's powerful EA-driven insights to identify hidden opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decisions making. First, by analyzing sales trends and customer behavior, Outlier.ea can uncover emerging opportunities, such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enabling targeted marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operations by detecting anomalies in cost data or inefficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits as demand patterns can be analyzed to maintain optimal stock levels, avoiding the costs associated with overstocking or stockout. Furthermore, Outlier.ea aids in preventing losses by identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to retain customers and maintain revenue. Finally, the insights provided by Outlier.ea support data-driven decision making, ensuring that business strategies are informed by accurate real-time data, ultimately leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. So let's come back to the top. And let's come back to the home page. So we have here various information that you have to know about Outlier. You have here shipped the next generation of EA with your expertise. Also, you have here other things like 40,000 experts here, and we have 100 million paid out, and we have 3.4 million assignments. If you scroll down, we have also here share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. We have you share your knowledge. Everyone's an expert at something. Share your expertise and help make EA more human. Then we have you connect with fellow experts. Join our community to work alongside like-minded experts in your domain. Then we have the last thing, it's get paid on your terms and competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. So if you scroll down, we have also here join a community of innovators or EA trainers come from all backgrounds and have expertise in everything from organic chemistry to creative writing. The first one here we have journalists, math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and we have more than 30 other expert domains. If you scroll down, also we have your building language. AA is craft, EA written training is never boring. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. So we have the first thing here is rating and ranking. Rating or ranking assignments as contributors to identify the best model response out of two or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to justify their selection in relation to specific criteria or factors. And if you over override, we have here with an open override assignment. Experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an EA model to expand upon. This prompt can vary widely depending on the desired output and the task at hand. Writing prompts can be simple sentences, questions, or descriptions meant to elicit a response from the EA model. Then we have the last one, it's multimodal. Multimodal assignments help train models generate and classify information from multiple modalities, including images, audio, or video. For example, experts might train the model to generate a story or description based on visual content. Also, we have here one information AI training is never boring because you can then try a simple task area of expertise. So you can just see this view opportunities and you click over to one you are and then you start with it. And here we have some comments for people that already work with Outlier. And here we have the last thing, it's some fakes here. We have the first one is the definition of Outlier here. We have also here how you can get started. So we have some questions here with answers like what does the onboarding process look like? Will I get paid for the onboarding process? How long does the onboarding take? What is the purpose of Outlier's boarding? Then we have qualification here. What qualification do I need? What is your selection process? How are resumes evaluated? Can I bring some friends too? And then we have payments here. We have how will I be paid? How much will I be paid? Then we have are there opportunities to earn money? And the last one we have here hours. So about hours we have the first two questions here. How much time should expect to work? Then we have can I do this work in addition to another part-time or full-time opportunity? And the last question is how long will this opportunity last? So let's come back to the top here. We have here making money on Outlier EA involves participating in projects that help train and refine EA models. Contributors work as independent contractors and can choose how many hours they want to work each week, making it flexible for different schedule. Pay is competitive and is based on the complexity of the tasks, your qualification, and your performance. Payment is typically made weekly via PayPal or other methods. Additionally, some projects may offer rewards for completing onboarding programs or for exceptional performance, which can increase earnings. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.